Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by committing to a cinematic look. Pick a primary lens like 35mm or 50mm and set a flat picture profile to preserve highlight detail. Once done, configure your exposure with a base aperture that controls depth. Use ISO as the last resort. You should build a simple 3-point or motivated single-source lighting setup and move in for a few test shots, checking focus, motion cadence, and how skin tones render in that profile before continuing. Now you refine movement and lighting to sell cinematic intent. Choose slow, deliberate camera moves that take 2 to 6 seconds per framing change so motion feels intentional. Make your key light 1. 5 to 3 stops above fill to create pleasing contrast, and keep practicals motivated by the scene. Make sure shutter and frame rate follow the 180 degrees rule for natural motion blur. Once set, rehearse blocking with the actor, while adjusting gimbal or slider speed to synchronize. Finish by shaping color and sound. Apply a gentle contrast curve and lift shadows to achieve film roll-off, then balance saturation and skin tones so faces remain natural. You should use LUTs sparingly and layer film grain and practical ambience to unify the scene. Simultaneously clean your production audio for presence. If the image reads flat, increase micro contrast, tweak key light angle, or lessen the flat profile strength. Retest exposures and a final reference monitor check before calling the shot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.